So let's talk about the social media platforms that you should be using for your business. Hey everybody, Michael here from The Market Vibe. Welcome back to the channel. So I want to talk to you guys today about the 5 social media platforms, top to bottom, that I think that you should be using for your business. Now, again, this is just my list as far as what ones I think in top order from bottom order, 1 to 5, that I think you should be using for your business. I could ask 100 different people. I'm sure 100 different people would give me 100 different answers. But as far as, us, the clients we've worked with, these are the platforms that we've seen people have the most success long-term for their business. So the first platform is actually the one that we're on right now, which is YouTube. And so why I love YouTube is for 3 reasons. One is the searchability. Things like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, they don't have a lot of searchability when it comes to your business, but YouTube is run by Google, which we know is the most powerful search engine. So any videos that you do about your product, your services, informational, educational, all of that is searchable, which brings me to point number 2, which is evergreen content. And if you haven't heard of evergreen content before, that's simply content that is relevant, a year from now, 2 years from now, even sometimes. And so what's great is you can put those videos up on your YouTube channel and they'll stay relevant, especially if you're talking about your products and services, because chances are you're going to still have those products and services 6 months, 12 months, 18 months down the road. So having that searchable content, that evergreen content as well is great. And then the third reason is you can monetize your YouTube channel. So what a great way to create extra income simply by just teaching people about your products and services that you already have in your business. So the second platform I want to talk to you guys about, and it was really hard figuring out 1 and 2. So the second one is Pinterest. And I'll give you 3 reasons again, like I did with YouTube, why I love Pinterest so much. So the number 1 reason is, again, searchability, just like YouTube. Pinterest has a very great search engine that not a lot of people really know about. We're digital marketing, and so if you go search things like social media marketing, digital marketing, we actually come up as one of the top searches, which is really amazing, because if anybody looks for that type of information, how great is that to come up as a top search? The second reason is because you can link things, and you can link things into every single post that you do. And so this has been great for us to link things to our freebies, to our products and services, to our other social media platforms. And so we use Pinterest as a great way to grow our Instagram, grow our TikTok, get views to our blog, to our website. And so Pinterest is a great way using those links that really you can't use on other platforms. Instagram, you only get 1, YouTube, you only get 1, but you can just, the sheer amount of linking and backlinks that you can create to every different social media platform and page to your website, products and services is so powerful. And the last reason that I love Pinterest so much is because honestly, there's not a lot of competition, especially if you're not in, one of the areas that people use Pinterest for typically, which is photography, home decor, DIY, things like that, because not a lot of people think about using Pinterest for their business. Digital marketing, there's really not a lot of stuff to find on there, which is great. If you look on there for your business and you see that there really aren't anybody else doing the types of things that you do, what a great platform to be on, because then you're a trailblazer. And if people are searching for, a product or service that you sell, you're much more likely to come to the top of the search than you are on, say, a place like Instagram or Facebook that are heavily saturated. So the third platform I want to talk to you about is Instagram. And I know this might confuse people that I have Instagram all the way down at number 3, but there are some reasons for that. But I will tell you the couple of reasons why I do still think you should have an Instagram account for your business. Number 1 is that Instagram just has the most people on it. It has 1 billion users. I think it has over 500 million daily users. And so just having access to that kind of network, you just can't get on a place like Pinterest. And so I think Instagram, just for the eyeballs that you can get on your content, is great. But I also think if you're a product-based business, it's a great place because you can create shoppable posts. And we have clients who make 6 figures on Instagram alone just based on those shoppable posts with great content marketing. So even though Instagram is at number 3, it's non-negotiable to me that every business should have an Instagram, just because of the sheer amount of people that are on it, and especially if you're a product-based business, the amount of different things that you can do with your products on Instagram. So I honestly felt a little bad putting this platform at number 4, because honestly for us, this platform has been great, but I know a lot of people don't see it as really a platform for your business, and that's LinkedIn. A lot of people still think LinkedIn is more for networking, for finding a job, which for the most part it really still is. But the place that I can tell you that LinkedIn has helped us the most is actually in finding local clients. We were able to make connections in the area, and what happened is people started reaching out to us and saying, hey, I saw you're in the area, I'd love to sit down with you in a face-to-face and kind of see how we can work together. And from that, we were able to get a ton of local business. And so if you're looking for local business in the area, if you're looking to sell your products, whether they're digital or physical products locally, then I think being on LinkedIn is a great place for you. Which leads me to the last platform, which is TikTok. And we love TikTok, and I think it's now in 2021, 2022, I think it's really going to become more of a platform for business owners, but it is still a younger platform. I think the average age is about 19 or 20, and so not a lot of business is being done on there just because there really isn't a lot on there right now to market to, but I think that's changing a lot in 2022. And TikTok's already rolled out their university for business owners. We're working with some business owners who are starting to get some amazing results selling their products and services. And so I think as you start to see 2022 roll out, I think you're going to see TikTok become a bigger player when it comes to marketing for your business. All right, you guys, so let's break those 5 social media platforms down for you one more time. So number 1, YouTube. Number 2, Pinterest. Number 3, Instagram. Number 4, LinkedIn. Number 5, TikTok. And I want to know from you guys. Tell me in the comments below. Do you agree with my assessment of 1 through 5? Is there some you would change? Let me know in your comments below. But until next time, see you guys later.